Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is Sheetal Chaudhary, your accounts master teacher, and I welcome you all once again to Vedantu Commerce. So let me inform you this in beginning, guys, that this is again going to be our recorded session because as you all know, I am having my post graduation exam. So we'll be having exam in evening. So it couldn't be possible for me to take a live session. So this is a recorded session, and on Wednesday in previous class we have done issue of shares for cash. That was a really important class, and I hope that you all have watched it. And in this session we will do part 2 of it. We will do issue of shares for consideration. So, if you guys are new to the channel or if you have not subscribed to the channel yet, then please take a moment to hit that red icon to subscribe our channel. Also, I would be really happy if you will take a moment to like this video and share this. So do like, do hit the thumbs up button and do share this as much as possible. Now, ये हुई ना बात, more than 100 students of Vedantu had finally qualified the super tough NTSC stage 1. And the students have proved it that yes, Vedantu is the new address of toppers. So, if you also want to become a topper this year, then do join us in our live and interactive courses and we will help you in becoming a topper. So, we have launched a special pro-exclusive micro course for all of you because as we all know, journal is the basic of accounting. This is the base of accounting. So if you guys are weak in journal, then accounts is going to be difficult for you for sure. But I don't want it. So I have came up with this special micro course which will help you a lot in making the basics strong. So if you want to become a pro in accounts, then do take our pro subscription because you won't be able to see these micro courses if you have not taken the pro subscription. So do join us in our live and interactive courses if you want to take the benefit of these pro exclusive micro courses. Now, we are also providing you VIP Vedantu Improvement Promise. This means that if you take our courses, अगर आप हमारे courses लेते हैं तो हम आपको guarantee भी देंगे. If you take our courses, then we give you the promise, we give you the guarantee that after taking our courses, there will be guaranteed improvement in your marks, guaranteed improvement in your performance. And if there is no improvement, then you will get your entire fees back without any deduction because we are giving you guarantee and we will ask you no questions before returning that fees. So as you all know, this is class 12 accountancy session, and in this we will continue our chapter accounting for share capital. So this is session number 4. Sure, number 4. So this is session number 4 in which we will do issue of shares for consideration other than cash. So आज हम सीखेंगे कि अगर shares other than cash issue होते हैं तो क्या क्या conditions होती हैं और क्या क्या treatment होगी. So are you all ready for the session? Are we all ready for the session? Yes or no? Tell me, come on, quickly. And I know that you all have filled up the chat box with the yes, super ready. So let's see what we will cover in this session today. What are the topics? So what we will do in this session, we will learn issue of shares for consideration other than cash. So let's start the session now without any further delay, and please ignore the backdrop because I'm not at my place, so backdrop white hone wala hai aaj instead of matching with the content. So let's start with a question, and the question is, if the shares of 4 lakh are issued for the purchase of asset of 5 lakh, आपने 5 लाख के एसेट खरीदे, you have purchased asset of 5 lakh, and for that we are issuing shares of 4 lakh, then 1 lakh it will be treated as the 1 lakh difference, it will be treated as discount, premium, profit or loss. What is your answer, guys? Tell me in the chat box what will be the answer. If shares of 4 lakh are issued for purchase of asset of 5 lakh, then 1 lakh will be treated as discount, premium, profit or loss. So we'll tell you the answer at the end of the session, not right now. Let it be a suspense till then. तो आज सबसे पहले स्टार्ट करते हैं. Let's start with issue of shares for consideration other than cash. इसका मतलब क्या होता है? हमने लास्ट टाइम जब शेयर्स इशू करे थे तब हमें रिटर्न में पैसा मिल रहा था. We were receiving money in return. But this time you will not get money in return because this is issue of shares for consideration other than cash. So when a company purchases any asset or when a company purchases any business, आपने asset खरीदे, आपने कोई business खरीदा और आपने उनको return में पैसा नहीं दिया. You are not making payment in cash. Instead of making the payment in cash, we make the payment to vendor in the form of issue of shares. आपने किसी से कोई सामान लिया, आपने उनको पैसे देने की जगह अपनी कंपनी के शेयर्स दे दिए. So this is known as issue of shares for consideration other than cash. Now there are two options where we may issue shares. जब हम अदर देन कंसिडरेशन करते हैं, फॉर कंसिडरेशन अदर देन कैश इशू करते हैं शेयर्स, सो यू मे आइदर परचेज एसेट, या तो आप एसेट खरीदोगे तब शेयर्स इशू करोगे, या फिर आप पूरा बिजनेस ही खरीद लोगे तब आप शेयर्स इशू करोगे. सो देयर आर टू ऑप्शंस. वी आर आइदर परचेजिंग द एसेट और वी आर परचेजिंग द एंटायर बिजनेस. नाउ द जर्नल एंट्री इन बोथ द केसेस आर डिफरेंट and we will discuss both these cases one by one with journal entries with examples briefly. So चलिए शुरू करते हैं पहले केस के साथ. We are purchasing asset. हमने क्या खरीदा बच्चों? Asset खरीदा. We are purchasing asset. So what will be the journal entry? जब आप asset खरीदोगे तो journal entry क्या होगी? सबसे पहले हमने एसेट्स खरीदे, सो एसेट्स विल इंक्रीज इन एसेट इज डेबिटेड. एसेट खरीदा तो इंक्रीज इन एसेट एज पर मॉडर्न अप्रोच विल बी डेबिटेड. एंड आपने अभी वेंडर कौन होता है? सेलर, जिससे आप सामान खरीदते हो उसको वेंडर बोलते हैं. अभी हमने उसको पैसे दिए नहीं है, हमने उसको पैसे देने हैं. So vendor is your creditor. And therefore you will credit vendor. Therefore we will credit vendor account. So here you can see the journal entry. Sundry assets account debit to vendor account. We will debit all the assets individual. जो भी आप assets खरीद रहे हो उसको अलग अलग डेबिट करोगे. फर्नीचर अलग डेबिट होगा, मशीन अलग डेबिट होगी, बिल्डिंग अलग डेबिट होगी. सो एसेट्स विल बी डेबिटेड इंडिविजुअली एंड वी विल क्रेडिट वेंडर बाय द टोटल अमाउंट. सो दिस इज द एंट्री फॉर परचेज ऑफ एसेट. सन्ड्री एसेट्स अकाउंट डेबिट टू वेंडर अकाउंट. ये तो थी एसेट खरीदने की. अब हम लोग बिजनेस भी खरीदेंगे. वी मे परचेज द एंटायर बिजनेस. एंड जब हम बिजनेस खरीदते हैं, व्हेन द बिजनेस इज परचेज, इट मीन्स both assets and liabilities are taken over for a consideration. जब आप बिजनेस खरीद रहे हो इसका मतलब ये है आप एसेट्स भी खरीद रहे हो और लाइबिलिटीज भी खरीद रहे हो फॉर अ पर्टिकुलर वैल्यू. Now, the asset and liabilities, it can be either equal, it can be more or it can be less. जो भी कंसिडरेशन आप पे करोगे, जो भी वैल्यू आप वेंडर को पे करोगे, वो बराबर भी हो सकती है, वो ज़्यादा भी हो सकती है और वो कम भी हो सकती है देन द डिफरेंस बिटवीन वैल्यू ऑफ एसेट एंड लाइबिलिटी. हम लोग एसेट एंड लाइबिलिटी का डिफरेंस कैलकुलेट करते हैं जिसको हम बोलते हैं नेट एसेट्स. वी कैलकुलेट द डिफरेंस बिटवीन एसेट एंड लाइबिलिटी दैट इज नोन एज नेट एसेट्स. एंड नेट एसेट्स आर देन कंपेयर्ड विद कंसिडरेशन. कंसिडरेशन मीन्स द अमाउंट पेबल टू द वेंडर. जो हमें वेंडर को पैसा देना होता है उसको बोलते हैं परचेज कंसिडरेशन. नाउ योर नेट एसेट्स एंड कंसिडरेशन, they can be equal. Net consideration can be more than net assets or consideration can be less than net assets. तो इसके एग्जाम्पल देते हैं आपको. I will not be visible now. Now I will give you example so that आपको ये अच्छे से समझ आ जाए. So this is the first case, this is the second case, this is the third case. अब पहला एग्जाम्पल है जब भी आप पूरा बिजनेस खरीदते हो. ऑलवेज रिमेंबर दैट व्हेनेवर यू परचेज द एंटायर बिजनेस वी आर परचेजिंग एसेट एंड लाइबिलिटी बोथ. सो एसेट्स, व्हेन यू परचेज एसेट, एसेट विल इंक्रीज. When you purchase liability, liability will increase. Liability को आप क्रेडिट कर दोगे. और हमें वेंडर को पैसे देने हैं तो हम लोग वेंडर को भी क्या करेंगे, क्रेडिट करेंगे. एसेट अकाउंट डेबिट, liability will be credited and vendor will be also credited. अब assets are 15 lakh, लाइबिलिटीज आर 10 लाख. हमने एसेट्स टेक ओवर किए 15 लाख के, लाइबिलिटी टेक ओवर करी 10 लाख की और वेंडर को हमें पैसे देने हैं 5 लाख. द कंसिडरेशन इज 5 लाख. नाउ यू कैन सी जो एसेट और लाइबिलिटी का डिफरेंस है, द डिफरेंस बिटवीन एसेट एंड लाइबिलिटी इज 5 लाख which is equal to purchase consideration. जो 5 लाख है 5 लाख, जो एसेट और लाइबिलिटी का 15 लाख माइनस 10 लाख, 15 माइनस 10 5 लाख, and vendor the purchase consideration is also 5 लाख. So this is the equal वाला case. और मैं कभी भी ये डिफरेंस देखने को नहीं बोलती. I never say to see this difference. I only prefer that see whether debit and credit are equal or not, because this is more easier. So we will check that whether debit is equal to credit or not. So debit is equal to credit. This is the first case. Debit is equal to credit. Now we'll come to the next case. अब चलते हैं अगले केस पे. So the second case is हमने assets खरीदे. Assets account debit 20 lakh. Assets account debit 20 lakh. Two liabilities account. Liabilities हमने खरीदी 15 lakh. And to vendor account, vendor को हमें पैसा देना है 10 lakh. So assets account debit 20 lakh, to liabilities 15 lakh, to vendor 10 lakh. Now you all can see that debit total is 20 lakh, liability total is 25 lakh. Now asset and liability are not equal. Asset and liability are not equal. लाइबिलिटी साइड 25 लाख इज मोर देन एसेट 20 लाख. जो लाइबिलिटी साइड है बच्चों वो ज्यादा है. सो व्हेनेवर liabilities are more than asset, the difference will be goodwill. The difference will be goodwill. हम लोग गुडविल को डेबिट कर देंगे बाय 5 लाख. तो जब भी लाइबिलिटी साइड ज्यादा आए तो डेबिट साइड हमें क्या लिख देना है, गुडविल लिख देनी है. अब चलते हैं थर्ड केस पे. नाउ कमिंग ऑन टू द थर्ड केस. थर्ड केस, assets are 15 lakh. Assets are 15 lakh. Liabilities are 8 lakh. And the amount payable to vendor. The amount payable to vendor is 7 lakh. वेंडर को कितना देना है बच्चों, 7 लाख. सो यहाँ पर एसेट्स जो डेबिट साइड है वो है 15 लाख. एंड जो सॉरी गलती कर दी कुछ, लेट टेक इट 20 लाख. एसेट्स जो है वो हमने 20 के खरीदे, वरना तो ये इक्वल वाला केस हो जाएगा. एसेट्स वी हैव परचेज्ड ऑफ 20 लाख. लाइबिलिटीज आर 8 लाख. वेंडर को पेमेंट करनी है 7 लाख. Now you can see assets are more. Debit side is more than the credit side. Debit side ज़्यादा आई है. So when your assets are more than liability, when your assets are more than liability, जब debit side ज़्यादा होगी तो balancing figure will be capital reserve. The balancing figure will be capital reserve. सो अगर लाइबिलिटी साइड ज्यादा है तो गुडविल आ जाएगा, एसेट साइड ज्यादा है तो कैपिटल रिजर्व आ जाएगा, और अगर इक्वल है दोनों तो कुछ भी नहीं आएगा. सो दीज आर 3 केसेस व्हेन यू परचेज बिजनेस. द कंसिडरेशन कैन बी इक्वल, द कंसिडरेशन कैन बी मोर, और द कंसिडरेशन कैन बी लेस. तो दोनों इक्वल है तो कुछ भी नहीं आएगा. अगर लाइबिलिटी साइड ज्यादा है, क्रेडिट साइड ज्यादा है तो गुडविल आ जाएगा. अगर डेबिट साइड ज्यादा है, एसेट साइड ज्यादा है तो कैपिटल रिजर्व आ जाएगा. नाउ यू ऑल कैन सी इट हियर. दीज आर दी 3 केसेस. इट कैन बी आइदर इक्वल, इट कैन बी आइदर लेस, और इट कैन बी मोर. So when it is equal, the journal entries, when it is equal, no goodwill, no capital reserve, account will be open. जब equal है तब तो कुछ करना ही नहीं है, सिर्फ assets को डेबिट करेंगे, liability को क्रेडिट करेंगे और वेंडर को क्रेडिट करेंगे. सारे assets को डेबिट कर देना, सारी liability को क्रेडिट कर देना और वेंडर को क्रेडिट कर देना. बट अगर आपकी जो क्रेडिट साइड है वो कम है, अब सॉरी डेबिट साइड कम है, क्रेडिट साइड जो है वो ज्यादा है, क्रेडिट साइड इज मोर. इफ क्रेडिट साइड इज मोर देन द डेबिट साइड, लाइबिलिटीज आर मोर, देन वी विल राइट डाउन गुडविल. जब क्रेडिट साइड ज्यादा होगी तो हम लोग गुडविल लिख देंगे, और जब एसेट साइड ज्यादा होगी, जब डेबिट साइड ज्यादा होगी, तब हम लोग तो हम लोग कैपिटल रिजर्व लिख देंगे. So if credit side is more, then you will write down goodwill. If debit side is more, then you will write down capital reserve. So these are the 3 cases when we purchase business. अब हमने बिजनेस खरीद लिया, हमने एसेट्स खरीद लिए, अब हमें करनी है पेमेंट. अब हमें शेयर्स देने हैं वेंडर को, क्योंकि पैसे देने की बारी आई है. अब पैसे जब आप दोगे, आप शेयर्स पार पे भी इशू कर सकते हो और प्रीमियम पे भी इशू कर सकते हो. यू मे इशू द शेयर्स एट पार और यू मे इशू शेयर्स एट प्रीमियम. Now let's see what will be the journal entry in these cases. अब इन केस में क्या एंट्री होगी. मुझे वेंडर को देने हैं 99,000 रुपीज। हमें वेंडर को कितना पैसा देना है? 99,000 रुपीज। इस वाले में हम पार में इशू करेंगे 10 वाला शेयर 10 में। We will issue 10 rupees share for 10. In the second case, we will issue shares at premium. 10 rupees share will be issued for 11. 10 rupees share will be issued for 11. So when these shares are issued at par, the journal entry will be vendor account debit to share capital. बिकॉज आप वेंडर को डेबिट कर दोगे क्योंकि आप अपने क्रेडिटर को पेमेंट कर रहे हो. योर लाइबिलिटी इज डिक्रीजिंग. यू आर मेकिंग पेमेंट टू योर क्रेडिटर. लाइबिलिटी इज डिक्रीजिंग एंड डिक्रीज इन लाइबिलिटी इज डेबिटेड. सो जब आपने पार में इशू करा है, इट्स सो सिंपल. दिस इज द एंट्री व्हेन द शेयर्स आर इशूड फॉर पार. Vendor account debit to share capital 99,000. Vendor account debit to share capital 99,000. But when the shares are issued for premium, the entry will be vendor account debit to share capital to securities premium reserve. Account. Vendor account debit to share capital to security premium. Now we will also credit security premium because shares are issued at premium. And in this we have to make a working note for number of shares to be issued. बिकॉज हमें कैसे पता लगेगा कि हमने कितने शेयर्स इशू करने हैं? हाउ विल वी कम टू नो दैट हाउ मेनी शेयर्स आर इशू? आप वेंडर में तो पूरा अमाउंट लिख दोगे 99,000. वेंडर को हमें 99,000 पैसे देने हैं, सो वेंडर विल बी डेबिटेड ऑफ कोर्स बाय 99,000. बट हाउ मच अमाउंट यू विल रिकॉर्ड इन शेयर कैपिटल? हाउ मच अमाउंट यू विल रिकॉर्ड इन सिक्योरिटी प्रीमियम? So for this purpose, we have to calculate number of shares to be issued. And how will you calculate it? You will divide the purchase consideration. जितना भी पैसा हमें वेंडर को देना है, we will divide it by issue price. We will divide purchase consideration 99,000 by issue price 11. So 11 multiplied by 9 is 99. So we will issue 9,000 shares to the vendor. And always prepare this because otherwise the examiner will deduct marks. तो ये आपको MCQ में भी पूछ सकते हैं. They may ask you that 10 rupees share is issued for 11. Purchase consideration is 99,000. How many shares will be issued? तो वो आपको MCQ में भी पूछ सकते हैं ये. So 99,000 divided by issue price. How many shares will be issued? 9,000. Now in share capital we will record the face value 9,000 multiplied by 10. And in securities premium we will record premium 9,000 multiplied by 1. So vendor account debit 99,000 to share capital 90,000 to security premium reserve account 9,000. So this is the journal entry when the shares are issued at premium. जब पार पे इशू हुए, this is so simple, ये तो बहुत आसान है. But when the shares are issued at premium, we have to make this proper working note to calculate the number of shares to be issued. So please have a look at this, or you can also take a screenshot of this. Okay, I hope that you all have took the screenshot. So now coming on to the slides. So here you can see both the journal entries. When the shares are issued at par, the entry is vendor account debit to share capital. But when the shares are issued at premium, the entry is vendor account debit to shares to security premium reserve. Vendor account debit to shares to securities premium reserve. So these are the two cases when shares are issued to vendor. अब चलते हैं अगले केस पे. कमिंग ऑन टू द नेक्स्ट केस. कभी कभार जो आपके प्रमोटर्स होते हैं, जो आपको बिजनेस का आइडिया देते हैं, आप उनको पेमेंट करनी होती है. अगर आपको कोई आइडिया दे रहा है तो वो उसके पैसे भी लेगा. प्रमोटर दे चार्ज फीस, दे चार्ज सम अमाउंट. तो आप उनको फीस देने की जगह क्या दोगे? फीस देने की जगह आप कहोगे चल तू हमारे शेयर्स ले ले, कीप आवर शेयर्स. So instead of making payment in cash to promoters, we issue shares to them. So such issue is made for services rendered by promoters. जो प्रमोटर ने हमें सर्विस दी है उसके बदले में हम उन्हें क्या दे रहे हैं? शेयर्स दे रहे हैं. तो यहाँ पे बच्चों दो एंट्री होती है. पहले तो आपने सर्विस ली, वो आपका खर्चा है. यू आर टेकिंग सर्विसेज, सो यू विल डेबिट इनकॉर्पोरेशन कॉस्ट. We will debit incorporation cost because it is our expense, and we will credit promoters because they are creditors. उनको हमें पैसे देने हैं. So incorporation account debit, incorporation cost account debit to promoter. ये तो जब हमने सर्विस ली तब का एंट्री है. Incorporation cost debit to promoters. Now you will issue them shares, so entry will be प्रमोटर्स अकाउंट डेबिट टू शेयर कैपिटल. जब आप उन्हें शेयर्स दे दोगे तो आप उनकी लाइबिलिटी खत्म कर दोगे. सबसे पहले डिक्रीज इन लाइबिलिटी, डेबिट, प्रमोटर्स अकाउंट डेबिट टू शेयर कैपिटल. So what will be the journal entries when shares are issued to promoters? Incorporation cost account debit, incorporation expenses, or you can also write formation expenses and debit to promoter. ये तो जो हमने सर्विस ली, incorporation cost debit to promoter. And when you will issue shares, the entry will be promoters debit to share capital. Promoters debit to share capital. So incorporation cost debit to promoter, promoter debit to share capital. And not only this, sometimes we also take these services from underwriters. अब underwriters कौन होते हैं मैम? सबसे पहले what do we mean by underwriters? So we all have read of minimum subscription. हम सब ने minimum subscription पढ़ा है that as per SEBI guidelines it is compulsory that public should at least subscribe 90% shares of yours. If 90% shares are not subscribed, then you cannot allot shares. You have to refund the amount. अगर पब्लिक ने आपके 90% शेयर्स नहीं खरीदे तो आपके पास शेयर्स अलॉट करने का हक नहीं है. आपको सारा का सारा पैसा वापस करना पड़ेगा. तो इसके लिए अगर पब्लिक ने, इफ पब्लिक हैव सब्सक्राइब फॉर लेस नंबर ऑफ शेयर्स, देन व्हाट द कंपनी डू? दे अपॉइंट अंडरराइटर्स. हम लोग अंडरराइटर्स को अपॉइंट करते हैं विच हेल्प इन सब्सक्राइबिंग द शेयर्स. वो आपके शेयर्स खरीद लेते हैं. दे विल सब्सक्राइब टू योर शेयर्स. वो आपके शेयर्स खरीद लेंगे, बट फॉर दैट दे विल चार्ज सम कमीशन. दे विल चार्ज सम कमीशन. So they are giving you service, they are subscribing to your shares, and for that they will charge some fees. So such issue is made for services rendered by underwriter, where underwriter agrees to take shares. They are taking your shares instead of charging commission in cash. वो कैश में पैसा नहीं मांग रहे. They are taking shares instead of charging cash. So again, this is similar to promoters wala case. In this also we will pass two entries. When you take the service of underwriters, when you take the service of underwriter, the entry will be अंडरराइटिंग कमीशन अकाउंट डेबिट. आपने उनको कमीशन देनी है, आपका खर्चा है. अंडरराइटिंग कमीशन अकाउंट डेबिट टू अंडरराइटर. अंडरराइटिंग कमीशन अकाउंट डेबिट टू अंडरराइटर. We are crediting underwriter because they are creditors. We have to pay them for their service. Underwriting commission debit to underwriter. And when you will issue shares to them, you will pass the entry underwriter account debit to share capital. Underwriter account debit to share capital. So these are the two entries when shares are issued to underwriters. So here you can see both the journal entries. The first entry is underwriting commission debit to underwriters, and the second entry is underwriters account debit to share capital. So these are the two entries which we will pass when shares are issued to underwriters. And these were all the 4 cases when shares are issued for consideration other than cash. तो कब कब शेयर्स हम इशू कर सकते हैं? When we purchase asset or when we purchase business, when shares are issued to promoters, when shares are issued to underwriters. So these are the 4 cases when shares are issued for consideration other than cash. Now we will solve some example. So let's have the question now and let's see which question we have to solve now. तो ये है बच्चों क्वेश्चन. यहाँ पर बोला है you are purchasing a company. Okay, let me change the color. Yes. A company limited purchased a machine from B company. We have purchased a machine from B company for 64,000. हमने कंपनी खरीदी फॉर मशीनरी खरीदी फॉर 64,000. It was decided to pay 60,000 in cash. 10,000 तो हम लोग कैश में पे कर देंगे और जो बचा हुआ 54,000 है, it will be paid by issue of shares of ₹10. We will issue shares for the balance 54,000. Now there are 2 cases. Shares are issued at par, shares are issued at premium. So shares हम लोग par पे issue करेंगे and shares हम लोग premium पे issue करेंगे. तो चलिए journal entry पास करते हैं. Give me 1 second guys. Sorry. So first of all, we have purchased the machine. We have purchased the machine, so we will pass the entry asset account debit, machinery account debit to vendor to B company account. किससे खरीदा? We have purchased it from B company for 64,000 rupees. Machinery account debit to B company account 64,000 rupees. Then we are paying B company. We decided to pay 10,000 in cash. So creditor account debit to cash account, B company account debit to cash account 10,000 to cash 10,000. अब यहाँ पर ना 2 केसेस है. 10 वाला शेयर हमने 10 में इशू किया पार में और 10 वाला शेयर हमने 10% प्रीमियम पे इशू किया है. 10% प्रीमियम ही था ना, हमने प्रीमियम पे इशू किया है for 11 rupees. So these are the 2 cases. जब हम लोग पार पे इशू करते हैं, when the shares are issued for par, the entry is vendor account debit to share capital. Vendor account debit to share capital. So out of 64, we have already paid 10,000. So remaining amount we will pay through issue of shares. We will issue shares of 54,000. Lekin, this was simple, but when the shares are issued for premium, the entry will be, when the shares are issued for premium, the entry will be vendor account debit to share capital account टू सिक्योरिटी प्रीमियम रिजर्व अकाउंट, बिकॉज इस बार हमने शेयर्स प्रीमियम पे इशू किए हैं, सो वी विल क्रेडिट सिक्योरिटी प्रीमियम. एंड एज आई हैव टोल्ड यू, वी हैव टू कैलकुलेट नंबर ऑफ शेयर्स टू बी इशूड. हमें क्या बनाना पड़ेगा? वर्किंग नोट. सो डिवाइड परचेज कंसिडरेशन, कितना पैसा देना है? 54,000. Divide purchase consideration by issue price. By issue price. अब 11 की टेबल में 44 तो नहीं आता, तो हमने कोई गलती कर, 54 तो नहीं आता, तो there is some mistake. I will pass this entry again because I have to see the question. The premium is 20%. I have taken it 10%. तो premium है 20%. So entry will be vendor account debit, B company account debit to share capital account to securities premium reserve account. 10 रुपए वाला शेयर हमने 12 रुपए में इशू किया है. 10 rupees share is issued at a premium of 20 rupees. So 10 rupees share is issued for 12. Now we will divide the purchase consideration by issue price 12. So it will be 7 ही होगा ना? नहीं, 7 थोड़ी होगा. 12 6. Okay. यार मैं 12 की टेबल भूल गई हूँ. 12 5 जा 60 होता है. 12 की टेबल में 54 कहाँ आता है? आता ही नहीं है. 12 4 जा 48. 12 4 जा 12 multiplied by 4, 48. Then we have 60. This will be 5. So this is 4,500. How many shares we have to issue? 4,500. 54,000 divided by 12, we will issue 4,500 shares. So in the vendor account, you will record the total amount. Vendor will be debited by total amount. In share capital, you will record the face value. In security premium, you will record the premium. And we will multiply with number of shares. We will multiply with number of shares. So 45,000 and 9,000. 45,000 and 9,000. So this will be the entry when shares are issued at premium. Vendor account debit to share capital to security premium. So let's see the answer solution. So we have purchased machinery account debit 64,000 to B Limited. इन्होंने ये combined entry कर दी है, हमने बैंक की कैश की अलग एंट्री पास करी थी. So you can pass the combined entry also. मैंने अलग अलग एंट्री पास करी थी. Machinery to B 64,000 and then I have recorded separately B company debit to bank to cash 10,000. They have combined both the entries, so it's all your choice. You want to pass a combined entry or you want to pass two separate entries. Then the shares are issued. At par. So vendor account debit to share capital, B company debit to share capital 54,000. And when the shares are issued at premium, the entry will be vendor account debit to share capital to security premium account. So 54,000, 45,000, 9,000. We have already prepared this working note. 54,000 divided by 12, 4,500 shares will be issued to the vendor. So this is how we pass the entry when shares are issued for purchase of asset. So is this question clear to everyone? Yes or no? सबको ये क्वेश्चन समझ आया? Let me know in the comments box. Yes or no? Clear or not? Okay, I hope that it is clear to you guys. So let's come to the next question now. And here we have the next question. So I'm getting invisible. The next question I will solve with same time. A company issued rupees 15,000 fully paid up equity shares of 100 each. हमने 15,000 वाले शेयर्स इशू करे ऑफ 100 ईच. 15,000 वाले नहीं होंगे, ये 15,000 होंगे. जस्ट गिव मी 1 मिनट. Yes, give me 1 minute, guys. Yes. So now we can solve the question. Oops. Just a minute. So here we have the question. A company issued 15,000 fully paid up equity shares of 100 each. We are issuing 15,000 shares of 100 each. Means we are making payment 15,000 multiplied by 100. We are making payment of 15 lakh. आपने 15,000 शेयर्स इशू करे 100 रुपए वाले, तो इसका मतलब ये है आपने कितनी पेमेंट करी? 15 लाख रुपीज. This is your consideration. This is the amount that we are paying for purchase of following asset and following liability from Gupta Bros. You are purchasing from Gupta Bros. So what will be the entry when we purchase business? When we purchase business, we debit all the asset. So plant is an asset, stock is an asset, land and building is an asset. So we will debit all the asset. Plant account debit, stock account debit, land and building account debit. We will debit all the assets. And sundry creditors, they are liabilities. So we will credit liabilities. We will credit liabilities. And we will credit vendor Gupta Bros. We will credit vendor Gupta Bros by purchase consideration 15 lakh. So when we purchase business, we debit all the assets, we credit liability along with vendor. Vendor is Gupta Bros. Now check out the total of debit and total of credit. Total of debit is 3 plus 4, 7, 8 plus 6, 14 lakh. Total of debit is 14 lakh and the total of credit is 16 lakh. 15 lakh plus 1 lakh, 16 lakh. So credit side is more than the debit side. Credit side is more. Therefore, the balancing figure will be goodwill 2 lakh. The balancing figure will be goodwill 2 lakh. So this is your first entry. This is your first entry. All the assets debit, liability creditor credit, Gupta Bros credit. The balancing figure is goodwill. Now second entry will be vendor account debit. Vendor account debit to share capital. We will issue shares to vendor of 15 lakh. So Gupta Bros account debit to share capital. Vendor account debit to share capital. So these are the two entries which we will pass in this question. Here you can see the answer. The balancing figure is goodwill 2 lakh, and then we have issued shares. Gupta Bros account debit to equity share capital to share capital 15 lakh. So this is your solution, and this is the case in which we purchased business and we issued shares. So this is it for today, guys. We have completed finally the another topic. Now let's come to the question which I have asked you in the beginning of the class. So इस क्वेश्चन में क्या बोला था, हमने कितने के एसेट खरीदे 5 लाख रुपीस के. We have purchased assets of 5 lakh rupees and in return हमने 4 लाख के shares दिए. So you are issuing shares of 4 lakh for 5 lakh. We are issuing the shares of 4 lakh for 5 lakh. आप कम वाले shares ज़्यादा में issue कर रहे हो. Shares of 4 lakh are issued for 5 lakh. Shares of 4 lakh are issued for 5 lakh. So you are issuing it for more than the face value. Therefore, it is premium. आपने कम वाले शेयर ज्यादा में इशू करे, इसका मतलब आंसर क्या है, प्रीमियम. So that's it for today, guys. We have completed one another session of shares. So I hope that you all enjoyed it. So if you really enjoyed it, then do give it a big thumbs up, do like the video, do share it as much as possible. Now if you want to complete this chapter with me, then you can watch our more live classes. So do subscribe to our channel, because in next class we will do over subscription and pro rata allotment. तो अगली क्लास में हम लोग ओवर सब्सक्रिप्शन करेंगे, जो कि बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक है. So now see you all on Wednesday at 9 p.m. And if you want to complete your entire syllabus with me, with fun, with entertainment, अगर आपको पूरा syllabus ऐसे ही मेरे साथ करना है, then you may take our live and interactive courses. You can take our pro subscription, in which you will get unlimited access of live classes. You can see unlimited live classes with us. All these subjects, accounts, economics, business studies, mathematics, all these subjects will be covered in detail in pro subscription. We will also conduct your test here. We will also provide you assignments after every class. Then we will teach you in English. All the classes will be conducted in English. We will provide you best teachers for every subject. This is our promise. And you may ask all your doubts in the live classes. You can ask all your doubts, guys. And not last but not the least, you can attend our classes from home, from any device. And not only these benefits, we are also providing you Chota Packet Bada Dhamaka. We are providing you VIP Vedantu Improvement Promise, in which we give you guarantee that if you take our courses, there will be guaranteed improvement in your marks and your performance. And if there is no improvement, then we will return your entire fees without asking a single question. तो अगर हमारे कोर्सेज लेने के बाद आपकी परफॉर्मेंस इंप्रूव नहीं होती, तो हम आपकी पूरी फीस वापस कर देंगे. तो इसके लिए हमें आपकी थोड़ी मदद चाहिए. वी नीड अ लिटिल सपोर्ट फ्रॉम योर साइड ऑल्सो. We need 75% mandatory attendance and we need 75% completion of assigned test. So these are the prices. The price for 1 month is only 2610, 2610 rupees for both 11 and 12, in which you will get all the 4 subjects. You will get VIP, you will get pro exclusive micro courses also. So what you are waiting for guys? किसका इंतजार कर रहे हो? जल्दी से जाओ डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में. Go to the description box. In 5th and 6th line, you will find the link of our pro subscription. Go to the link and take your pro subscription right now at extra 10% discount. Yes, you heard it right. हम आपको 10% extra discount दे रहे हैं. So if you want to get extra 10% discount, then go and use my code SCPRO to avail this pro subscription at flat 10% discount. And as you all know that we are also providing you pro exclusive micro courses along with pro subscription. So you are getting so many benefits at a so minimum cost. So what you are waiting for? Go and grab it quickly. And ये हुई ना बात, हमारे students ने ये proof कर दिखाया. They have proved it that now the new address of toppers is Vedantu. So more than 100 students of Vedantu had qualified NTSC stage 1, which is super tough guys. So if you also want to become a topper like them, then we will help you at our platform. So do join us right now. And in case you are new to our channel or if you have not subscribed to the channel, then please take a moment to hit that red icon to subscribe our channel. And please take a moment to like this video and share it. So do like, share and subscribe. Now see you all in the next class on Wednesday at 9 p.m. Till then, stay home, stay safe and stay healthy. And thank you so much guys for watching this class, for giving us your valuable time. Now see you all in the next class. Till then, bye bye. Thank you so much for watching the classes.